The transmitter Arduino software has been updated to put edge detect on the key and reduce the delay time per cycle from 25 milliseconds to 4 milliseconds. So we're going to give this thing a shot and just show how much better that is. That is a lot better. It's not quite perfect. Part of it is that I'm trying to hold the camera in my left hand and key in my right hand and stay focused on it, so I'm making a couple little mistakes. It can't quite 100% keep if I go as fast as I possibly can, but it's doing much better. So appreciate all the comments and help with the software. Thank you.